Here's a budget small double 4 mattress from Amazon, just delivered. Let's open it up and see what they're like. Let's open up the box and see what this budget 4 mattress looks like. Yeah.
Oh, it's so big.
It's gonna explode.
What?
Expand.
Is that explode?
Cost just £70 from Amazon. It's cheap. Budget. There, pull the box. Can you pull the box?
Yeah. What the?
Move the box.
I'm going to put it over.
Small double.
What?
Small double, isn't it? Let's see what it says on the wrapping.
It's huge.
4. What's here?
It's massive.
4 mattress. Safety first. Basically, it's inverted. The text. I can't really read it. Okay, so we're going to open it, and it's going to expand, and it's going to be a smelly mattress as well.
What?
It's quite light.
At least it's not mine.
Let me pick it up. Oh, that is light.
Can I try?
Even you can hold it. Right.
Yes, it's so light.
So it is very light.
Yeah, for me.
And it cost just £70. Right. Can't smell anything yet, but when we open it, it's gonna explode.
Moves lots, man.
Yeah, we have to be careful opening it. Let's move in a little closer. Quiet, budgies. Doing a video.
I'm ready.
Okay. So let's see it explode. Are you ready, Liza? Get down. Can't see you.
I'm ready.
Are you ready for the mattress to explode? And we'll see what it smells like.
Hope it smells nice. Because it's already
Okay. Got sellotape.
Lots of Whoa.
Yeah, that's not open anything. Oh, alright. Unwrap it. Yeah, do it.
Oh my god, it's ready to explode! Go.
Right.
What the?
What is squash? Alright, and that's it.
It exploded.
No, it's not exploding. That's the mattress.
Can I feel it?
It wasn't compressed that much. Unlike usually, there was no explosion. No decompression. Oh, I can smell it now. Oh, that.
I don't like it.
Smell the vapours.
Oh, it was making me cry actually.
Right.
It's like onion, but it's
So it
not.
wasn't very compressed like what I was expecting.
I don't expect.
It's pongy.
What the? Oh my god.
Hold the mattress.
Me? What?
Right, it's not so bad, the smell. Smell isn't. Oh, I can smell it though. What did I say? Because you drop it. I can get it out of the bag. Yeah, I'll put it down. That is the small double mattress. Can you smell it?
Yeah, I don't like the smell.
This is what it looks like. It's got something written on it.
Yeah, it has.
Cool voucher.
Cool.
How much padding's on it? Right, get on it.
Me.
Yeah,
Have you ready?
just get on it. You're holding your nose. Lie down. Does it sink a lot?
No, it's so good. Okay.
Right. It's not very thick.
It's so. Oh, it's so soft.
Yes. Is it soft?
Yeah, it doesn't sink. It
it seems to be pretty hard. Well, you're not very heavy. Get up. Let me have a look. Let me put my knee down. There is some fumes. We're going to have to put it in the conservatory for a couple of days to air it. Right then, it looked about one. What is it? That's not very thick, is it? Two, 1, 2, less than about 3 inches thick. You get measuring tape. I think it'll expand by another inch. It's not a very thick mattress, but it feels good. Let me put my knee down on it. See if it sinks. Oh, it sinks all the way to the bottom.
It doesn't do it to me. I really like it.
It is very thin. More like a topper. That is very thin.
It's not been broken.
But let's see. Oh,
I just had
it is a very thin mattress. It's not for someone who's heavy. It's definitely not for someone who's heavy. Maybe a teenager. Anyway, we'll see if it expands. It's okay for a child. It's okay for you.
Yeah.
It doesn't sink at all. I'm going to lie down on it and see.
It expands.
Let's see. Move out of the way.
What?
Okay. Alright. Apart from the stink, I'm lying down on it. And it's actually, I can just feel the bottom of my bottom. The top's okay. On that side. Yes.
When does it expand?
Okay, I weigh over 200 pounds. And I think it's a bit too thin for me. It's too thin for me. And when you lie down on it, you can smell it. Yeah, do you smell it?
Yeah.
I get up this toxic, those fumes. You're going to have to let it air it. So basically, this mattress, look. This mattress is good for teenagers, small adults and children. If you weigh, say, over 160 pounds, then increasingly not going to be good for you. If you weigh 200 pounds or higher or more, then it's no good. So don't get this if you weigh over 180 pounds, these budget mattresses. Now this one was just 70 pounds. Got it for a teenager. I think he weighs 130, so it should be fine. Should be. But for a child it's okay. For me, no. I weigh 220 pounds. This is no good. Back was fine, but bottom, I could feel the ground. It was supported, like it wasn't hard, but I could feel it go through. So that's the budget mattress. Cost £70, can't go wrong. If the teenager's happy with it, it is firm. And hopefully the height will increase a little bit. It'll add maybe an inch. Yeah, let's get the measuring tape. Here we go. 4 inches. So I left the mattress to air in the garage for 36 hours, something like that. Let's see how much it's expanded. There's no more chemical smell, so I can close the garage door. Yeah, I can't smell any of that chemical smell anymore. So 36 hours is enough. Let's have a look. What is it now? Oh. So you see, it was 4 inches before. Now it's about 4.5 inches. So it's only expanded by half an inch. That's not much, is it? Here we go. okay. Without pressing down, it comes to more like, yeah, it is 4.5 inches. So the mattress doesn't expand much. Starts off at 4 inches and it expands in 36 hours by another ½ inch. So it is a 4-inch mattress. I've seen some comments saying it expands by 2 inches to 6 inch. No, that's not what happens. 4.5 inches, very thin mattress. After all, it is cheap. I only paid what, £70 for it. Link in the description. That's okay for the, should be okay for a small adult, teenager, as long as you don't weigh more than £160. Yeah, it should be okay for all those up to 160. Once you start going over 160, it's going to go through to the slats. Definitely not for someone who weighs more than £200. So that's the mattress. It's expanded by just ½ inch since I put it here, and all of the chemical smell's gone. I'm not going to put my nose into it, but you can't smell anything now. So when you buy these mattresses, leave them somewhere where you can vent. You know, we can open a window, or if it's in the garage, open the garage door a little bit to let all the fumes out. It does take at least 24 hours. Give it 36 hours and it's all gone, ready to be used.